math book. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we can continue exercise 6.3. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. First number is 252. Previous class we have done this 252 factorization. It's 252. 252 divided by 2. First we have to factorize 252. This is not a perfect square. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 2, 63, then 3, 21, again 3, 7, 7, 1. So 252 is equal to 2 into 2. 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So this is not a perfect square. Why? If it is a perfect square, the factors, all factors are in pairs. See here, except 7, rest all are in pairs. So what we have to do, which number we should multiply? If we multiply by 7, 7 is not in pair. So if we multiply by 7, then that new number will become a perfect square. So what is the question here? Which whole number, the smallest whole number divided? Which whole number will divide? Then this will become a perfect square. So which number we have to divide? Obviously 7. If we remove here from 7, then this number, the new number will become a perfect square. So how we can remove? We have to divide by 7. That is 252 divided by 7. Okay, that is 252 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21 and 42. 6 7s are 42. That is 36. So 36 is a perfect square. Perfect square number. What is the square root of 36? 6 6 are 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay, so 7, when we multiply, so 252 by 7, then the new number will become a perfect square, and the square root of the new number 36 is 6. Hope it is clear. Next number, 2925. So first you have to find the factors of this number. So 5 only, or 1's place 5, so we can start with 5. 5 5s are 25, then 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25, again 5, 5s are 5, and 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. Then which numbers? 3, 3 3s are 9, 9, then 27, and 3s are 27, then again 3, then 1, 3, 13, and 13 is a prime number, 13. Okay, so 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Okay, 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 13. So which number we have to divide? Obviously 13. Except 13, rest all are in pairs. So 2925 divided by 13. We have to divide 2925 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. Then 32. Then again 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. So 6, 65. then 13 5s are 65. So the new number is 225. As you all know, what is the square root of 225? 15. 15 into 15 is equal to 225. 225 is a perfect square. So which number we divide by 2925? 13. This is the smallest whole number. When we divide 2925 by 30, then the new number, we got a new number. That number is a perfect square. Then what is the square root of that number 225? That is 15. Okay, hope it is clear. Next number 2800. First we have to find the factors of 2800. 2 and 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 1400. Then again 7 2s are 14, 700. Then again, then 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 350. Again 2, 175. Then 3, 5 3s are 15, 15. Then 3 is not possible, so we can divide it by 5. 5 3s are 15, then 5 5s are 25. Then again 5, 7, then 7, 1. So 2800 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. So except 7, rest all numbers are in pairs. So which number we have to divide? What is the smallest number when we divide by 2800? Then it will become a perfect square. That is 2800 divided by 7. Then the new number definitely says perfect square. So 2800 divided by 7 is 7 4s are 28. Then 400. See 400. What is the square root of 400? 20. 20 into 20 is equal to 400. Okay, so the smallest whole number divided by 2800 is 7. When we divide 2800 by 7, then the new number is 400 and the square root of 400 is 20. Hope it is clear. Next number 396. Factorize 396. 2, 198, again 2, 99, then 3, 33, then again 3, 11, 1. So 396 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. So here also 11 is not having a pair. So this is not a perfect square. So when we remove 11 from here, then the new number will become a perfect square. How we can remove? We have to divide 396 by 11. 396 divided by 11. 396, 11 3s are 33. Then 66. 11 6 are 66. So 36. So 36 is a perfect square. That is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. The square root of 36 is equal to 6. Hope it is clear. Practice well. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.